Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to connect to a database via MySQL Workbench. You can download MySQL Workbench from this link for free. We have included this link in the description below. Note that before installing the MySQL Workbench, the system requires you to install the Visual C++ Redistributable Package version 2015 to 2019. The installation will not proceed unless you do so. Follow these steps to connect with a database via MySQL Workbench. Open the MySQL Workbench application. Click on the plus icon beside the MySQL connections. The Setup a New Connection dialog box will get open. Enter the necessary details in the respective fields. Here is a description to help you understand how to fill them. Connection name. Enter the name for your connection here. Connection method. The method or protocol with which MySQL Workbench makes the connection. Leave it as the default standard TCP/IP. Host name. The IP address of the host where the database is located. Port. No need to change it from the default 3306. Username. Enter the username for your control panel account or the created user for the database. Password. Enter the password for your control panel account or the database user you created. Click on Store in Vault. The Store Password for Connection window will get open. Enter the password and click on OK. To check if the connection can be established, click the Test Connection button. You will get a success message and displays the information related to the connection. Click on OK. Click OK of the Setup a New Connection dialog box to create the connection. The newly created connection gets listed below the MySQL connections. Click on the connection. The database is opened in the adjacent window displaying its tables. In this way, you can connect to a database via MySQL Workbench. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.